Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about how to do your dressings after your eyelid surgery. When we do eyelid surgery, there's a really tiny incision that's made in the incision right here in the crease, because everyone has a little bit of a crease, and then a tiny amount of skin is removed, or a large amount of skin depending on the patient. And of course this patient doesn't need a blepharoplasty, but I would also remove fat pads here if she had any fat pads. And why don't you open your eyes? When that's done, then the eyes are more open and prettier and fresher, and many patients have better vision. So much of the time this operation is covered by insurance. So after surgery, if your surgery was covered by insurance, it would be done at the hospital. If it's cosmetic, it's done here. But either way, you'd be going home with a package of these Swiss Therapy eye masks. I wanted to explain this with a video because it's a little bit complicated. The dressing is made out of the same slippery material that contact lens material is made out of. So it's cold and it's slightly adherent and it's very refreshing. This is then placed, excuse me for putting the slimy things on you, these are now then placed on the incisions, and the weight of them will keep them on. And the cool is refreshing, the weight is refreshing, and then the liquid helps to wick away any blood that might be on the incision. These can be left on for about 10 minutes or until they start to get warm. You'll go home with 2 pairs of them, so when one pair gets warm, then the second pair can be used. And they should be used for about 2 days, and after about 2 days they'll fall apart, and that's the sign that it's time to quit using them. It's very important to use these after the surgery because when the eye is more open, it can get dry, and if it gets dry, it could, worst case scenario, get an injury or a corneal abrasion. So you'll be putting ointment in your eye the night of surgery, putting ointment on the incisions and the Swiss Therapy for a couple of days just to keep everything really moist. Does that make sense?